everyone, welcome back to Zubairi Studio channel. Today we are going to create a coffee ad animation So let's get started. First, create a new comp. I call this render comp. So the preset I use is 1920 by 1080 and the duration is 10 seconds press. Okay, then import the footage file from the Explorer. Then import the PSD file. This design I already created in Photoshop. Don't worry, project file. Link is in the description. Then drag and drop the clock comp into the render comp. And open this composition. So cut the background file and paste into the render comp. And go to the transform option and click the fit to comp option and remove the clock shadow. Then set the anchor points. Project file link in the description. Set all the anchor points after that. Animate it, select clock numbers and press S for scale and create a keyframe drag. Few frames forward and value it to 0. Now select 3 layer and press S for scale and create keyframe. Then select all keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Go to the graph editor and the graph looks like this. And select the other keyframe and edit the graph. Now we need to animate the clock bells like this. Press R for the rotation and create a keyframe page down and change the value like this. Copy the keyframes and paste it here and copy the rotation animation and pasted the other bell layer. Now we need to animate hammer like this. After we need to animate the needles like this. Select all the keyframes and press F9 for easy ease after that. Drag the coffee top view footage in the timeline, then change the scale value like this. And select Rectangle tool, click on Ellipse tool to create perfect mask. Now we need to adjust the mask, then drag this layer to around 3 seconds and pre-compose it. Now animate the second needles and animate the mask like. Invert effect and effect penal and animate the value. keyframe and clock number layer. Back to render comp and create a null layer. And animate the scale value. Like this. Select both keyframes and press F9, go to graph. So the graph look like this. Fix the hammer keyframe. Duplicate the seconds layer and add it like this. Now we need to animate the rotation and apply the posterized time effect. Value is 6 after that. Drag this smoke layer in the timeline. And create a perfect mask like this. Then animate this mask, so add the text coffee time.